Good morning. My name is Sergey, and welcome to my class.
So welcome to Microsoft Word exercises. So now in this exercise you will get a feel for some of the basic functions so this software has to offer. Our topic for today is font, copy, and paste. So first you need to type this content on your Word document. So in creating a Word document, so you need to type first the content before you format the fonts and then the sizes of your document or the format of your work. So after typing this content, so you need to save the file. Take the file and then save. And you can save it on your document. So for example, the title is The Philippines. Click Save. So once you save the document, you can now format your content. So we will now use the highlight and then the copy and the paste. So now highlight the second paragraph. Manila is teeming metropolis. So to highlight or select a line, place the cursor to one side of the line and then click and hold the left mouse button and drag the cursor to the other end of the line. So do not let go of the left mouse button until all of the line has inverted in color. Then you can right click and then copy. Okay, or you can click Control C, or you can go to Home tab and in the clipboard you can select the copy. Okay, after copying the content of the second paragraph, so move the cursor to the end of your document and then press the enter twice. Then paste the content. So you can click Control B as in victory. Okay, and then you can go here on the Home tab and then click paste or right click and then there's a paste options here, then keep text only. So that's how to copy and paste. So now let's change the fonts, the colors and styles of your content. So first highlight the first line, then you can go to font group of your Home tab, or you can click Control D for the font. You can search the font here, Tahoma. Then click OK. So you will notice that the first line is change his font. Okay. Now highlight the select the second line. Then here you can change the size by 16. And highlight the third line. Then the size 8. Now highlight the port line, then select the font style of your highlighted content to italic. You can use the Control I or the Control D to change the font style. Now highlight the port line, then click Control D. Okay, and then you can choose the effects here, or you can change the effects by going to the font group in the Home tab, the text effects and typography, and click the shadow, and click the anything, any effects that you want to be in your document. Now highlight this part, then text effects again. Okay, you can change this part here. Then click the bold type. Now highlight this part. Then change the font color. Then go to Control D. Then the font color. Change the red. There. Now highlight this second paragraph. Then click Control U for underline. You can do this and by clicking the U here, underline here, or then go to Control D and then you can use the underline style. Click OK. And then don't forget to save your file, Control S. So that's how to format your document using the font style, the font color, and then the copy and paste. Okay, thank you for watching.
That's all for today. God bless.